मॉर्निंग बच्चों, टुडे वी विल डिस्कस एवरीथिंग अबाउट आइसोथर्मल एंड एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेसेस। तो हमने यहाँ पे जो दो कर्व दिखा रखे हैं, इसमें अपर कर्व इज फॉर आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस एंड द लोअर कर्व इज फॉर एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस। हियर for isothermal PV is equal to constant because temperature remains constant, so Boyle's law applies. And for adiabatic process, PV to the power gamma is constant, where gamma is nothing but Cp by Cv. And we see that the slope of adiabatic curve is higher as compared to isothermal curve. That means it is gamma times that of isothermal curve. So we say that adiabatic curve is steeper as compared to isothermal. Okay. And the work done in isothermal process is higher as compared to adiabatic process because work done is given by the area under the PV curve. And these two curves are for the reversible processes where the external pressure is just above the, or difference between the internal pressure and external pressure is only dP. That is, the external pressure is almost equal to the internal pressure during the process. Okay. Now we see this for isothermal, delta U equal to 0 because temperature remains constant. So first law gives delta U equal to Q minus W. So Q will be equal to W for isothermal, and temperature T1 is equal to T2. And for adiabatic, there is no heat exchange between system and surroundings. So Q equal to 0. So second law, this first law of thermodynamics gives that delta U will be equal to minus W. That means internal energy of the system will come down, and hence T2 will be less than T1. Okay. Now work done in isothermal reversible process is given by nRT ln V2 by V1, or sometimes the number of moles and temperature are not given, then we can say P1 V1 ln V2 by V1 or P2 V2 ln V2 by V1. And the work done for adiabatic process is given by nCV T1 minus T2, and CV can be written as R upon gamma minus 1. So nR upon gamma minus 1 into T1 minus T2, or sometimes number of moles and temperature are not given in the question. So we can write nR T1 as P1 V1 and nR T2 as P2 V2. Okay. Now the only difference between reversible and irreversible process is about the work done. Work done in the irreversible process is given by P external into V2 minus V1. It is for both isothermal as well as adiabatic irreversible process. Okay. And the conditions 1, 2 and 3 are applicable for reversible as well as irreversible process. Thank you and wish you all the best.